I'm Melissa from Everyday Family Travel, where we bring you some of the best kid-friendly destinations across the United States and show you how to travel with kids but without the overwhelm. Don't forget to subscribe for more family travel adventures just like this. We recently got back from a trip to Santa Fe, and one of the things I really wanted to find while planning our itinerary was something truly unique, something that would let us experience the culture of Santa Fe in a hands-on way. Santa Fe, New Mexico is actually the #3 art market in the whole country. So everywhere you go, you'll find galleries, museums, and local artists creating incredible work. So when I found this stained glass making workshop just a few minutes from downtown, I knew it would be the perfect experience to add to our Santa Fe itinerary. When we walked in, the instructor was so kind and welcoming. She explained the whole process and gave us time to choose our glass pieces from a big selection of colors and textures. The kids loved this part. They each picked out their favorite shades and started laying out their designs. Once our designs were ready, we carefully wrapped copper foil along the edges of each piece of glass.
Apply the copper foil just to the edge, right? Now the way I'm doing this is I'm looking at the sticky side of the tape while I'm placing it so I can get it in the middle.
Then we brushed on something called flux, which helps the lead stick when you start soldering.
Flux is a chemical that tells the solder where the copper is.
After that, it was time for my favorite part, using a soldering iron to melt the lead onto the copper foil. It was so cool to see the glass come together into a real piece of art. When everything was soldered, we cleaned up our projects, added a ribbon, and admired our finished ornaments. If you're looking for something different to do in Santa Fe, I highly recommend this workshop. It's open to ages 10 and up, and it's such a fun way to experience Santa Fe's artistic side. You can find the link to the exact 1-hour workshop we did in the description below. Or if you'd like a more custom design, 2-hour workshops are also available. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and subscribe for more family travel inspiration.